Build a thriving industrial empire from the ground up. In this video, you'll learn how to download and install Captain of Industry for PC safely and begin your journey as the leader of a growing colony. Starting with a small settlement on a remote island, you'll mine resources, construct massive factories, refine raw materials, manage supply chains, research advanced technologies, and expand your industry while keeping your population healthy and productive. Every decision matters as you balance power generation, transportation networks, farming, recycling, and large-scale automation to transform a struggling colony into a powerful industrial civilization. With deep factory management, realistic production systems, and strategic planning, Captain of Industry offers an immersive experience for fans of city building and automation games. This tutorial covers the complete download, installation, and setup process from start to finish. You'll also learn how to fix common issues,